Hi, good morning everyone. Today we are discussing about the stock market and how to earn in simple way to earn money from there. Okay, I will teach you simple methods and pathways where we can earn the decent profits per month, per year 15% to 20%. Stock market is a place that there bought or sold the stocks individually, like items, whatever we buy, say, buy the items from the supermarket, like. But say in India, there are two major exchanges is there in India. One is NSE, National Stock Exchange, NSE. Another one is BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, where uh, in NSE almost 2,600 companies are registered in NSE, as well as in BSE 5,000 plus companies are registered in the BSE. This number is not the constant. Every time delisted some companies and listed another company, so it will be changed every time. And where top in this 2600 top 50 companies are called index, which were Nifty 50. Nifty 50 indices, it is the index for the NSE, as well as top 30 companies of the BSE from 5,000 companies. These 5,000, 50,000, 50, 30, 30 companies were called as the index senses. So this is the major structure of the stock market, where we can focus on these both are the merged. It means these 2,600 companies also registered in the BSE also. So now where structure of the NSE, we can see that NSE having the different type of instrument where we can the buy or sell the some uh, their products, like NSE having equity, derivatives, and ETFs, and mutual funds, as well as IPOs, as well as debt to bonds, and so many things is there. We are only focused in the stock market, equity, derivative, ETFs, as well as mutual funds. Sometimes we can participate in the IPO also. So where risk appetites will be depend on the everything. We can earn from this equity 15 to 30% we can earn from them, and derivatives we can expect the profit 30 plus percentage we can expect, and ETF will be given to 12%, and mutual funds can give to 15% per year. What based on our criteria, investing in the small cap or mid cap and flex cap, both are together can give the 15% of the profits, where we can learn from here equity. Okay, and let me start the equity. 1 minute. From equity, what should I do? Well, we can trading as well as investing. We can earn the money for both methods. One is trading method, another one is investing. Trading means, what is the trading? Trading in intraday We can buy and sell within the day, that is called intraday, and we can swing trading. Swing trading. We are buying today and selling 2 plus day after 1 week, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, whatever it may be. It is called swing trading. It is less than 3 years. It is called short term period. Investing means it has been more than 3 years. It is called investing. Where we have to avoid the intraday as well as derivatives. So whenever we are new investor, we have to only involved in the swing trading or investing. Now we are coming to the swing trading. In swing trading, we have to follow the 3 methods. One is technical analysis, the second one is fundamental analysis, and third one is psychology. So we are selecting the stocks from based on the technical analysis. We are selecting the, for example, 10 stocks were selected by technical analysis. Then we have to go to fundamental analysis. From the 10 stocks, out of 10 we have to get the 1 or 2. Then we can invest in the 1 or 2 based on the our psychology. Okay. Okay. Thank you.